Alright, so today I'm going to try and help you all become master board builders. So step one, log into your Discovery Education. Yes, first initial, last name, @HC, capital B, Blaze 8115. That should get you in. Once you're there, scroll down on that first page and go to Board Builder. Ta-da! You've successfully done the first step. You are now to Board Builder. Once you're on Board Builder, you can choose to take a template or go blank. I recommend a template, but let's go blank just so you can see what it's like. And I'm going to say animal relationships because that's what we're doing. And you should and could add a description. As soon as you do that, it's going to save to your content, and then you'll be able to access it at any time. You will need to continue saving, though. Please notice there is a save button and a share button. Because I didn't choose a theme, I would have to make sure I choose one over here. Okay, and so there's all sorts of themes you can choose from that you might want. And so if you're doing animal relationships, say on ocean animals, maybe the ocean theme is one you want. So you can go all about the different themes and check it out. All right, and then once you have your themes, there's lots of things you can do. You can add items, you have textile, foreground, and background. So in other words, if you don't know what foreground is, if you wanted a different color for your foreground, you could have a different color. All right, and there's more colors, you can revise that further. All right, you can also have a pattern. On this one, for me personally, I think plain is good, right? But you can go with whatever pattern you think fits your animal relationships as long as it's still easy to read, because that obviously is extremely important. Okay, so once you are happy with what you've chosen, then you've got your foreground done. You can do your background too. Same thing. You can go with whatever pattern you would like and color that you would like. So make sure you have it in a way that you are happy. Mine's now much darker than it was. And we should be good. Now, as far as your text style goes, you can choose your headline color, the font, and all of that. So we've got our text style, but wait, how do we put in a text box? Well, let me show you. You add items. Here's your text box. Ta-da, it's there. All right, let's say that that's not what you wanted your text box to look like. How do we fix that? The easiest way to fix it is click on it and you can choose Edit. Here you have background. You can make your text box look like whatever you want. So make sure you choose a text box that you believe seems fitting for whatever you are doing, and so that you're happy with the layout of this. For example, you might want one for a title as well. So make sure you get something that seems to work well for whatever you are going for. So once you find the text box that you want, or just the blank plain text, that is just fine too, go ahead and click on it, and then you're good. Once you're in here, you can type animal relationships, okay, predator-prey. Now once I have that, I need to talk about what a predator-prey relationship is. A predator-prey relationship. And then, of course, you will go ahead and do that, so I don't need to do that right now. Okay, I can obviously revise lots of things. There's bullets and numbers, bold, underlines, italics, alignment, font size. Change it to make it look good. That's awesome. Please notice that you can also insert a link. So if you wanted to take me to a video that's from an outside resource or to a special page about predator-prey, you can insert that link right in there. So, for example, what I mean is, if I were to highlight my words of predator-prey relationship, I'm going to say Command-T, or you would say Control-T to get a new tab. And I'm going to find a website on predator-prey relationships. When I find the perfect thing that I want to share, let's say it's this YouTube video that I've previewed and I've made sure is absolutely perfect, then I'm going to click on my URL address and copy it. Okay, so I used Control-Copy to do that. Now when I say Insert Link, I would put it right here, Command Paste. I have that URL. Notice the URL is not there, but now these words are highlighted. I've put a live link. I've embedded a live link in there. You too can do this with outside resources. All right, so let's say I talked about predator-prey relationships. Now I'm ready to insert media or attachments. Attach a video, photo, audio, etc. Okay, well, if I want to search, I can search anywhere within Discovery Education. So let's see if I can find something on Discovery Ed that's going to help me with the predator-prey relationship. So I could post this video. I could look, if I know that I don't want videos, I want images, I can click that my search needs to be focused only on images, and I could show this image of a dinosaur meat eating, chasing its prey, okay, or the spider eating this insect. So when I have one that I want, all I have to do then is say add. I'll say add selected resources, and ta-da, it's here. So that is a wonderful feature that I have. Now notice the whole image isn't showing, so adjust your box so that it shows in the way that you want. Now once I have that image in there, it'd be a lot better if it had a caption. So if I clicked on this edit again, notice I can put a caption in, and I would tell exactly what's going on in this image. So this blah 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 spider is the predator, and blah blah blah, because I don't want to waste your time. Okay, so you can put your caption in to tell me what I'm seeing. So this predator-prey relationship is going to be described here and talking about what we see over here. I will have an image and a caption. Okay. Now let's say I realize, oh no, I don't have a title for my document. I can click headline, and ta-da, I have a headline text. Same thing, you can edit, you can check out your background, choose whatever you think looks great with whatever you're working on. So choose the one you like best to make sure that you have a great title for animal relationships. You are welcome to get creative with your title and with your content, as we know. But wait a second, now my title is down low and my information's up high. That doesn't seem right. Notice it's really easy to click and drag to move things where you want them. So once you put your title where you want it, it's easier to know where you want to put your other information as well. And please notice, just like when you're working on documents, sometimes it'll give you lines to show you when things are lined up so that it looks good. All right, so once you have your whole page finished with the 5 different types of relationships and your title up there, then you'll be sharing it with me. But let's say that you don't get done, because you won't today. You're going to have to make sure that you click save. Okay, so make sure you save it. You can add a description. It's obviously science. This is 6th grade, so I'm going to go ahead and say save. Now that it's saved, let's say that next class period you do finish and you want to turn it into me. Here's how you do that. You say share. Select a teacher to approve your board for sharing. That would be me, Candace McMullen. Okay, once you have that, you simply say share. So at this point, your share settings have notified me and I can go and grade your board. So ta-da, you have that. Also, now your board is finished here, but you can also still edit it at any time. I hope this helps you know how to build a board builder.